Heracleum sphondylium, common names hogweed, common hogweed or cow parsnip, is a herbaceous perennial or biennial plant, in the Umbelliferous family Apiaceae that includes fennel, cow parsley, ground elder and giant hogweed. It is native to Europe and Asia. The common name eltrot may also be applied, but is not specific to this species. Umbelliferous plants are so named because of the umbrella-like arrangement of flowers they produce. The North American species Heracleum maximum is sometimes included as a subspecies of H. sphondylium. Etymology: the genus name Heracleum derives from the Greek Heracleon, and refers to the mythologic hero Heracles, while the species name sphondylium, meaning vertebrate, refers to the shape of the segmented stem. Description: Heracleum sphondylium reaches on average 50–120 cm of height, with a maximum of 2 meters. From large reddish rhizomatous roots rises a striated, hollow stem with bristly hairs. The leaves can reach 50 cm of length. They are pinnate, hairy and serrated, divided into 3 to 5 lobe segments. This plant has pinkish or white flowers with 5 petals. They are arranged in large umbels of up to 20 cm of diameter with 15 to 30 rays. The peripheral flowers have a radial symmetry. Flowering typically occurs between June and October. The flowers are pollinated by insects, such as beetles, wasps and especially flies. The small fruits are flattened and winged, elliptical to rounded and glabrous, up to 1 cm long. The seed dispersal is by wind. The characteristic pig-like smell of the inflorescence gives it its name. Heracleum sphondylium is smaller in size than the skin-irritating Heracleum mantegazanum. There is some apocryphal evidence that the sap from common hogeseed can also produce burns and rashes. Care needs to be used when cutting or trimming it. The small picture-winged fly Ulia Heracleum is, as its name suggests, found on hogweed. Distribution: these plants have a Eurasian distribution, growing all over Europe and North Africa. Habitat: the plant is common in herbaceous places, along roads, in hedges, meadows and woods, especially in mountain areas up to 8,000 feet of altitude. It prefers moist, nitrogen-rich soils. Similar species, the water parsnip, western water hemlock and spotted water hemlock all have white flowers in large compound umbels, which can lead to misidentification. All water hemlock and poison hemlock are highly poisonous, but water parsnip is not. Both have clusters of small white flowers shaped like umbrellas, and have the same habitat near the shoreline of lakes and rivers. Water parsnip has leaves only once compound, and water hemlock has leaves which are 3 times compound. Water hemlock has a large swelling at the stem base, and has bracts at the base of each small flower cluster, not at the base of the main flower head. The water parsnip has small bracts at the base of flowers and main flower head as well. Yarrow from the Asteraceae family also has many small white flowers in a cluster. However, the yarrow has feathery-looking leaves which are pinnately separated into small narrow segments. The cow parsnips are also confused in this group with similar flower groupings. However, the cow parsnips have large, broad leaves, and an unpleasant odor. Subspecies: this species presents a large variability of the characteristics and the occurrence of many intermediate forms. In Europe there are 8 named subspecies. Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Chloranthum numea, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Elegans Sh1 bl. And G. martins, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Glabrum halob, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Orsini H. numea, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Pinaicum bonia and Layens, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Cybericum simonc. Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Sphondylium, Heracleum sphondylium subsp. Trachycarpum halob. References: Heracleum sphondylium. Natural Resources Conservation Service Plants Database. USDA. Retrieved May 14, 2015. Van der Koo, C.J. Penn, I. Stahl, M. Stavinger, D.G. Elzinga, JTM Competition for Pollinators and Intracommunal Spectral Dissimilarity of Flowers. Plant Biology doi, 10.1111/PLB 12328. Eulia Heracleum retrieved May 18, 2012. Parnell, J. and Curtis, Y. 2012. Webs and Irish Flora. Cork University Press. ISBN 978-185918-4783, Siquata maculata. Archived from the original on September 27, 2006. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Quilleen, Harriet 5. Turner, Nancy J. Traditional Plant Foods of Canadian Indigenous Peoples. Taylor and Francis. ISBN 978-2-88124-465-0. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Western Water Hemlock Agriculture Government of Saskatchewan. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Water Parsnip Agriculture Government of Saskatchewan. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Yarrow Umbelliferous. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Heracleum lanatum. University of Saskatchewan. Retrieved August 3, 2008. Pignati S. Flora d'Italia Ed Agricole 1982, Vol. 2, Pag. 237, Tootin, T.G. And Al Flora Europaea. Cambridge University Press, Cambridge. Pages 365. External links, Biolib, Plants USDA.